Episode 5. Welcome to the Outer Solar System. Beyond the asteroid belt, everything changes completely. The inner planets are rocky, but these four are giants. They do not have a solid surface to walk on. They are made of hydrogen, helium, and cosmic mysteries. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so big that 1,300 Earths could fit inside. It spins very fast, making its days only 10 hours long. Its gravity acts like a cosmic shield for the Earth. The Great Red Spot. Jupiter has a massive storm called the Great Red Spot. This storm is actually bigger than our entire planet Earth. It has been raging for hundreds of years without stopping. It is a symbol of Jupiter's incredible atmospheric power. Saturn. The Lord of the Rings. Saturn is famous for its beautiful and bright ring system. These rings are made of billions of ice and rock pieces. It is the second largest planet, but very light in density. If there were a giant ocean, Saturn would actually float. The mystery of Saturn's moons. Saturn has more than 140 moons orbiting around it. The largest moon, Titan, has its own thick atmosphere. Titan is even bigger than the planet Mercury. Scientists think life could potentially exist in its oceans. Uranus, the tilted ice giant. Uranus is a cold blue world made of water and ice. It is unique because it spins on its side, like a ball. This tilt causes extreme seasons that last for 21 years. Its blue color comes from methane gas in the atmosphere. Neptune, the windy blue world. Neptune is the farthest planet from our bright sun. It is extremely cold and has the fastest winds in space. Winds here can reach speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour. It takes 165 Earth years for Neptune to orbit the sun. The ice giants versus gas giants. Jupiter and Saturn are called the gas giants. Uranus and Neptune are known as the ice giants. Ice giants have more ices like water, ammonia, and methane. Together, they represent the massive power of our system. Beyond the giants. The Kuiper belt. Past Neptune, we find a region called the Kuiper belt. It is home to many icy objects and dwarf planets. This is where the famous dwarf planet Pluto lives today. It marks the beginning of the very edge of our system. Gravity and the balance of life. The universe is not standing still. It is growing larger. Galaxies are moving away from each other like spots on a balloon. The further a galaxy is, the faster it runs away from us. Space itself is stretching every single second. Exploring the giants with Voyager. NASA's Voyager 1 and 2 visited these giants in the 1980s. They sent back the first close-up photos of the rings. Voyager is now the farthest human-made object in space. It carries a golden record for any alien civilization. Inside the giant planets. The giant planets do not have a solid ground like Earth. As you go deeper, the gas pressure becomes extreme. This pressure turns hydrogen gas into a strange liquid metal. It is a hot, dark, and very mysterious environment. Exploring the inside of a giant is nearly impossible for us. Magnetic worlds. Jupiter has the strongest magnetic field of any planet. This powerful field traps dangerous radiation in space. It acts like a giant shield, but it is also very dangerous. Uranus and Neptune have very unusual, tilted magnetic poles. Their magnetic fields are off-center, making them cosmic puzzles. How the giants formed. Scientists think the giant planets formed very early in time. They collected huge amounts of gas from the young sun. Their massive gravity helped shape the entire solar system. They acted like big brothers, protecting the smaller planets. Without these giants, the Earth might not exist today. The future of the giants. Billions of years from now, our sun will eventually change. It will grow into a massive, glowing red giant star. The inner planets, like Earth, may disappear forever. But the cold, distant giants could survive much longer. They are the final watchers of our solar system's history. Interactive quiz question. What happens to hydrogen gas deep inside Jupiter? A. It turns into ice. B. It turns into a liquid metal. C. It stays as a normal gas. D. It disappears completely. You finished Lesson 5. Universe is a beautiful place for those who learn. You completed Lesson 5. You are a cosmic explorer. Next lesson, the life cycle of stars and the sun. Subscribe to Polaris Academy for more knowledge. Goodbye.